All right, time for some Tuesday birthdays in the 4 states, and we are going to begin in Golden City with Reese Moreland. It's the little girl there on the left celebrating a birthday today with happy birthday love coming from the family.
All right, and we've got Maya Norton celebrating birthday number 15 this year in Girard. Hope it's a great one, Maya.
And over in Carthage, Jaden McConnell celebrating birthday number 15 as well. Happy birthday, Jaden.
Jack Honeshell turning sweet 16 this year. Happy birthday, Jack.
And A.J. Hagerman celebrating birthday number 22 in Fort Scott with a nice little throwback picture there with love coming from Mom and Nana.
What a cute kid there. Let's see, Stephanie Overton celebrating birthday number 36. Obviously, we had our little girl there celebrating as well. In Golden City, happy birthday with love from the family.
And we've got Dawn Yoger over in Webb City celebrating number 50. Very happy birthday to you, Dawn.
Happy birthday, Dawn. And happy birthday to Richard Hayward, who's now 61 in Altamont, with love from his wife, children, and grandchildren.
And Gloria Hayward celebrating number 82 in Altamont. And this is actually Richard's mom, with love from her children, grandchildren, and the great-grandchildren.
All right, Mark and Sarah Dreisbach are celebrating 13 years together. They're out in Cherryville, Kansas. Congratulations.
And a happy anniversary going to Wayne and Julie Thomas in Columbus, celebrating their 31st year of wedded bliss. Happy anniversary to the Thomases.
All right, and Janet and Carrie McKenzie celebrating 53 years together in Columbus. Another big anniversary.
And we've got Bill Wells celebrating birthday number 90, our neighbor down to the south there in Crestline. Happy birthday, Bill.
Peggy Ball in Carterville, happy birthday to you.
And Craig Biancarelli celebrating number 50 in Cherokee. It says here he's probably out there on the combine harvesting the wheat. Happy birthday, Craig.
Trying to get it in before the storms come in.
Yeah, absolutely. And we do have those storms coming. We'll talk more about that in a moment. But first, we need to tell people where they can send these birthdays and anniversaries. Tanya?
And I enjoyed the size of the list, so we know folks are listening. All you have to do to join in the birthday fun is send us your pictures and all the details for birthdays and anniversaries to birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.